Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this 45 degree or the cabinet 45 degree. Okay, so very simple. We can go first you need to create a wall like this. Okay, then let me check my window first in case yeah, I make it 1200 okay. Okay, so on the height I don't want so high. This one exit this one first, this one, and the height I change it a bit to 3000. Okay, so for the cabinet, right, very simple. You can just click this one here, or then you drag first or at here. Sometimes you can see for the corner they have this cabinet also corner, or you see however this one usually are just L pattern or L pattern. Never mind, okay, we can drag one for our own. We can drag one, put here first, okay, then maybe this one I put 900, okay, 900. Then another one I'll drag same cabinet. I'll drag the same cabinet, so I'll drag put here. Oh, you see, sometimes so automatic but not correct like this one. Okay, so I'll just move it first. This one I'll make it 0. Okay, so usually the depth are different for this one, or you can see. So this one I will need to change a bit. Okay, so I will change it to 800. Okay, 800. Okay, this one I'll remain the depth. Okay, this one I will need to change a bit the depth also, or maybe I'll add this one 55, this one I'll put it 600. 600. Okay, or else you can do something like this. Cannot. Okay, this one we just add another 10. Add 40. Okay, you can see we cover. Okay, then here for the drawing, the client show us is a flat one, so we just add panel like this. We add panel, or no choice, or we add a panel, drag one panel from here. Okay, usually visible panel I would like to use. Okay, floor cabinet, what is this? Yeah, something like this. Okay, so see this cabinet here, right? Automatic fit in already. Then we just change the size, rotate it first. Okay, you may press X, rotate it first. Okay, then press Z to move it. Okay, approximately here. Then you may need to change the size also, but usually I will move like this. Then only I will start change the size. Okay, I will move properly. Then only start change the size. Okay, so this size maybe are not that. Okay, I'll make it 550. Okay, minus 50, minus 100. Too much. Add back 50. Okay, so you can see now we got something like this. This and that. Okay, here you can continue put back the cabinet here, or as usual, okay, base cabinet, or continue put another cabinet here, continue design. But for the tabletop, right, you can use something like this. Okay, usually we can use this one. Countertop, let's see if auto detect or not. See, or AiHouse still smart. Okay, so I'll just choose the tabletop normal one. I like the favorite, this one. This is my favorite. This one, I'll select it. Okay, oh no, what problem? After I select, cannot read. Return. Let's see again. Countertop. Okay. No choice, guys. If like this, then we will need to draw ourselves Okay, actually countertop here we have a free drawing here. Okay, sometimes if AiHouse cannot detect, we just use our method lah. They got a lot of method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just use our method. Okay, this one I'll choose back the front pattern. Where is my pattern? Okay, don't have, never mind, I simply choose up. Okay, then L shape. Okay, then click generate. Okay, so it will generate. Okay, see, exactly the same. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.